Okay, so I'm actually very excited about this, yeah. Oh, shout out to Sweetwater. They always send you candy. I appreciate it. Oh, I'm also excited. Jeez, they're heavy. About these. This is a very heavy monitor stand. Actual studio monitors. I'm upgrading 3 to 5. Oh yeah, 3 to 5. I'm very excited. Let's open this. I've been waiting to open this for you guys, so I'm very excited. Oh, I see yellow, black and yellow. Okay. Right here. Lightly turn it over. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got the 5 inches, which they look small, but I know in reality these things are huge. That would take up my entire desk. So, I'm very excited. I said that already. First thing you have on the side, I'm assuming this is a power cable. Yeah, it is. Definitely power cable. I think both of these are active. With the other studio monitors I had, the Mackie, I think CR3. One was, Jesus is heavy. One was active and one was passive. So you connect them together, connect the powered one to the non-powered one for it to have power. But I think both of these have to be hooked up to power for it to work. What is this? Oh, quick start guide. Hey, let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys be reading the manuals? Because it's a 50-50 for me. I don't always not read the manuals, but if it's super simple, or I think it's super simple, then I won't. But then sometimes you think it's simple and you're like, wait, what's happening? And so then you have to. I think you shouldn't be afraid to read the manual. There's a manual for a reason. Ooh. I get closer. Ooh. It's heavy. It's nice. I mean, it's black. So, oh, here's the back. Ooh, so fancy. Oh, here's something. Ready? Ooh, a click. Very nice. Probably already know this, but this is where the power cable goes. This is obviously the on and off switch. It's a volume knob. There you go. It's got some click to it, or a little bit of, there's knobs, notches, that's the word. There's notches in there. Yeah, it's a dial. This is where your your XLR balance TRS cable will go to connect it to your interface. And then of course this is the screen where all the happenings happen. This is heavy. I'm gonna put this down now. Okay. So that one's gonna look exactly like this. So we're just gonna switch to putting it on my desk. Okay, cool. Yo, I thought I had sent this to the wrong address for a second. So I saw an email that it was delivered, but I didn't remember where the package was. Like, I had never seen it because I got home late from work. I was like, oh no, did I send someone a free pair of studio monitors? But it's okay. It was just my roommates put it in the garage, which I didn't use the day before. Anyways, that was funny and terrifying. This is a cute box, as far as boxes go. Another power cable. I'll show it to you, I guess. Here it is. It's pretty simple. 3-pronged inlet. 3-pronged outlet. Oh. It's so crazy how much bigger these are than the 3-inch. Like, you can't tell, but when you see them next to each other, it's like these things dwarf the 3 inches. It's so crazy. Oh shoot, don't drop it. Imagine if I freaking dropped this thing. Imagine. That would be so disappointing. So what this is I don't know if you guys have heard of IsoAcoustics, but they make some monitor stands. And I always wanted some. They're just so damn expensive. It just didn't make sense. But since I got some expensive studio monitors now, might as well put them on something not just expensive for the sake of being expensive, but strong, something that's gonna protect them. Because I'm not trying to waste my money. Wait a second. I didn't know this was gonna be IKEA. Okay, these are the bottoms, and then the legs. The other bottoms. It does come with a instruction manual. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Expected to be like a mattress in a box. It just pops up, or pops up. I'll put this together, I guess. So this is the bottom. Oh, it's a circular inside. So it would go like this. These legs are so solid. They're heavy. Goodness. So apparently with these, you can, if you need to like angle the speakers in a way that's just not straight up and down, that's what these are for. I think I'm gonna probably use the small ones. So yeah, I want to put these in here, but I need them to be angled a little bit. So looks like you put one on the top and one on the bottom, and that allows you to be able to angle it, I guess. Oh, I want it to be angled up a little bit, so I'm gonna do this. So this is a little bit higher And then this side, and you put it on here. So it's a little bit, like you can see, this is a bigger space than this is, so we're going to be a little bit more spaced out, or a bit more angled upwards. I'm not sure exactly how much angle I need. Let's find out. Come here. Actually, I think that's perfect. It's like when you get a present that you really wanted for Christmas, but then you have to like set it up. So initially you're very, very excited, and you just get really serious and quiet during the actual setup process. You're like, oh, I have to do work. To me, this Xbox just doesn't play right out of the box. That's crazy. I definitely need a surge protector to plug both of these in. Then I also have to find the power out cord to my laptop. I don't know where that thing is, and I need it. Oh, well, I guess I can show this to you. This is what I needed. This is the cable that I needed for my Mackie CR3s. You connect one end into the powered studio monitor and the other end into the passive, and that's how it transfers power to the non-powered studio monitor, so that they both work even though one of them is plugged into an outlet and the other one is not. So that's what this cable is. But since both of the KRKs are powered, I don't actually need this for right now. Because I don't have anything that's going to, it's going to allow me to play both of the sets of studio monitors at the same time, currently. Alright, so with this, I have a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. So this, it's got your two outputs, two line outs. So I put the red cable into the right studio monitor and the black cable into the left. And so right for red and left for black. Like this. And there you go. That's set up. Don't mind my panels that keep unsticking. I have to get something better than the Velcro. It's stuck to the wall, but it won't stick to the gosh dang phone. It doesn't want to be stuck. Don't stick her. She don't want to be stuck. I'm going to take a brief intermission because I have to find this power cord. I really genuinely don't know where it is. All right, so yeah, so right now what I have going on is I finally found the power cord to my laptop. I have it hooked up and everything's plugged into power. I haven't turned on the KRKs yet. I'm about to do that right now. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm like excited and nervous because I want to hear how they sound, but I also don't want to get blown out of the water. Like, I want to still be able to hear after this, so it should be very interesting. I'm very excited. So, yeah, I just have a Logic session pulled up of a song that I'm working on for a project that I'm working on. So, yeah, let's see what that... Let's see what's about to happen. I'm excited. Okay. I am excited. I'm not going to adjust anything. Ooh, it turned on. I'm just gonna leave it how it is out the box because I just want to hear how that sounds. Let me show y'all what happens when you turn it on. Leave the power button. And the screen turns on. Pretty cool. And also, the KRK lights up when they are on. I also heard somewhere that they pulse when they're on standby mode or something. Never mind, don't quote me. But what's so interesting to me is look how much bigger. Like, it's interesting because of the design of like that ring. The gray ring around the woofer of the CR3s makes it look bigger than the KRKs, but it's actually not. It's actually smaller. It's actually only this big, whereas obviously this is a lot bigger. You can tell. So they did an interesting thing with the design to make you feel like it was bigger. But yeah, it's massive compared to the CR3s. But yeah, I have a Logic session pulled up. What is this called? And this song is called Flex. So look out for that. But yeah, let's just see what it's given. Where should I set y'all up? Let's set y'all up so you can see my reaction. Even though I might look absolutely crazy. I might look absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, I'm nervous, guys. Let me make sure that this computer Okay. Woo! Okay, I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna play it. Okay. I was spent all of my money. Not even trying to be funny. Don't really care for the flex. I rather was thinking to sweat. I didn't know what going on my phone. And now I'm mad instead. Really work. This is fire! I'm very excited, okay? Y'all, I can actually hear bass. I can actually hear bass. That's one of the reasons why I got these, is because my desk is so close to the wall. I don't really have the room to be able to give them a lot of space between the wall, and the KRKs have the bass port goes forward instead of backwards into the wall. So, you know, this is gonna be fine. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to produce with these. I'm very excited to mix with them. And hopefully the difference between my mixes in my room and my mixes in the car won't sound so drastically different as far as being able to hear the low end. Like, you boost it a lot because you can't really hear it that well in headphones or even on my little 3-inch studio monitors. So I'm very excited. Yeah, man, that's gonna be all for this video. About to play this some more. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Is that how they do it? And we out. I'm so blue without a clue. Let me know